So you're flying to a wedding, and the wedding outfit, the shoes, the accessories, plus the normal wardrobe for the rest of the trip. It all needs to fit, and probably a checked bag feels like the only right, or at least the safe option for something like this important. But realistically, you don't really have to go for a checked bag. For example, I know I'm a little bit of an extremist here, but I actually traveled to a wedding with this personal item only, this little under-seat bag, to a wedding that I was a best man in last year. But honestly, a dress or maybe even like this structured suit jackets are the only items that you really need to handle with special care. Um, and here's the exact protocol if you want to fit it into a carry-on only. So no checked bag there, right? So really, the fabric is everything. Wrinkle-free fabric, jersey, polyblends, anything that's steamable travels very well. Things such as heavy silks or really structured stuff or like taffeta only makes sense if you can hang the garment bag that the outfit is in during the whole trip, which you shouldn't count on a carry-on flight along that, right? So yeah, maybe an extra seat in that instance. So here's how you go about it, right? If you want to pack carry-on only, you roll the garment up loosely. Ideally, you place something soft between it as well, like a shirt or something. That kind of reduces wrinkles even further. So yeah, roll it. Never fold it flat or heavy. Try to keep it as loose as possible, and you pack it last on top of the bag. The further down it is, the more it's going to crease. Don't let anything else sit on it. So on arrival, 15 minutes in a really hot steamy bathrobe with some very light stretching as you've hung up the garment really helps to remove almost any wrinkles that one of these rolled up dresses or suits is going to pick up. Alternatively, another really good option that I would let you say that you should seriously consider is a little travel steamer. It does absolute magic and it takes up very little space in a carry-on. This is also the safer option if you want to be like absolutely 100% sure that there are absolutely zero wrinkles on your wedding garment. But realistically, hanging it and stretching it out, it's like it does quite well. You should feel quite confident about that. So next, bring one pair of dress shoes. Ideally, you wear them on travel day, right? If they're at least walkable, or remotely walkable at least, or you can pack them in a plastic bag. And these can go at the bottom of your bag instead of at the top like the garments does. Just make sure they don't get like squished. So if you do this, what helps both to save space but also to maintain the structure of the shoes is actually stuffing socks and underwear into the shoes. That's going to help save space and yeah, prevent it from getting squished together. Jewelry and your accessories should go in a small pouch inside your personal item or your carry-on. Never in the checked risk zone at all. So probably ideally, if it's something that you cannot replace at all at the destination, personal item or is the best way to go about keeping that safe. And one honest note here, because I don't want to oversell this, like a full-blown ball gown or like dresses with heavy beading, serious structure, that is genuinely not one of these rolled and then steam out again situation. If that is your outfit, an extra purchase seat to hang it or even a professional wedding dress shipping service is definitely the right call in these instances. But I wouldn't really say that that is a failure of this method at all. This protocol works fantastically for fabrics that can travel well while folded. And just really quickly here, just going to plug my specific travel packing method. I've actually incorporated packing for these special situations into my 10-step program for packing perfectly. So that like it blends the wedding stuff in with the regular guest wardrobe, or what you should call it, as well as the toiletries, shoes, so that everything runs on that same 10-step system that makes you pack everything off perfectly, so that you can feel confident the moment that you close your bag. If that sounds cool, just check out the link in the video description. I'm gonna add one like at the top. So yeah, the outfit can travel in the overhead bin. Just make sure you steam it and don't stress it. I have one more wedding trip packing videos coming soon. I want to talk a little bit more about my experience with the personal item version that I did last year. So if you're interested in that, you can consider subscribing. Anyway, I hope I'll see you in the next video. Peace.